What's up guys, Aaron here, back with another video. In today's video we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at what I consider to be the most advanced smartphone in terms of both hardware and software, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. So stick around. Welcome back, and I'd first like to say that I'm a huge fan of the Samsung Galaxy Fold. I've owned the first and second version, and while I enjoyed the previous two versions, there was three things that I wanted to see come to future models. And we'll talk about those three things in the full review. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that content. Now in terms of the unboxing, we get the Z Fold 3 itself. We also get this pamphlet style packaging. Once we open up the top, we are presented with both a USB-C cable as well as a quick start guide. After removing the plastic and finally getting my hands on the Z Fold 3, I have to say that there are a few things that I have noticed right off the bat. One thing is that it's definitely lighter than the previous two versions. There also appears to be better hinge protection than the previous two versions. With that being said, this device does have an IPX8 certification, which means it is water resistant. However, it's not dust resistant. Located on the back of the device is a triple camera array, with the first camera being a 12 megapixel f1.8 wide-angle lens with OIS, along with a 12 megapixel f2.4 telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom and image stabilization, and lastly a 12 megapixel f2.2 ultra-wide lens. The Z Fold 3 is capable of capturing 4K video at 60 frames per second. Upon opening up the Z Fold 3, we're presented with a 7.6-inch 120Hz 2208 by 1768 inside screen with a 4 megapixel f1.8 under display camera. After folding the device for the very first time, I have to say the hinge definitely feels stronger than the previous two versions of the Fold. Taking a closer look at the bottom of the device, we have a speaker grill, a microphone, and our USB-C charging port. We also have our antenna bands. On the top we have antenna bands as well as another speaker and 3 microphones. And on the right side we have all our usual buttons, including our SIM card tray. And here's a closer look at that really nice camera system we have on the back. And just a quick heads up, I will be doing a camera comparison video between the Z Fold 3 and the iPhone 12 Pro Max, so make sure you stay tuned for that. My first impressions of the phone is that it appears to be extremely well built. It's a very nice device in general, and I'm looking forward to bringing you guys a very detailed full review. I also picked up the S Pen Fold Edition to check out how the S Pen works on the screen as well. So I went ahead and popped my SIM card out of my main phone, which is my iPhone 12 Pro Max, and put it inside of this Galaxy Z Fold 3. So for the next couple of weeks I will be using this device as my main daily driver. One of the things that I'm most excited about using this new Z Fold 3 for is true multitasking. So you're able to open up several different windows on this inside screen and get a lot of work done, which in my opinion is an extremely useful feature. I also got a couple case videos coming up for the Galaxy Z Fold 3, one being the Slim Armor Pro, which in my opinion is one of the best protective cases that you can get for this phone. And I also picked up the official flip cover with S Pen case from Samsung, so be sure to keep an eye out for those videos. I will be doing a full review, as I mentioned earlier, on this device. So if you have any questions or anything that you would like to see me cover in that full review video, make sure and leave them down in the comments section below. I will take a look at them and answer them for you in the full review video. Now there's a lot of things to cover for this device because it has a ton of features. So again, any questions or anything that you would like to ask me is definitely welcomed. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you guys for watching. As I mentioned earlier, my name is Aaron, and I'll see you guys on the next one.